Hello everyone, this is Khaldun with Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful rocket Appartiemento Espresso machine. It comes to us with struggling water pump, this one, and sometimes it was like shows dead. So I didn't trust it to scale the machine with that, because if it stops in the middle, then I'm gonna lose the heating element. So I just replaced it. Then I noticed there is a lot of scale in the boiler, so the machine needs a tune-up definitely. So and here is the old gasket and the shower screen. Look at the old gasket. It's like it's really hard. And after the scaling, I start having the steam valve here leaking. It was leaking from here, so I replaced the gasket here and those gaskets, put it back, but it didn't work with when I serviced it. It stopped like working like before, and the leak was still there, so I just replaced the whole valve inside here. So let's get ahead and make espresso shot in that machine. Actually, the machine gets like really deep cleaning on the group head and all the pistons there, and gets lubricated. After replace that old gasket with the new nice silicone one and a new shower screen. So let's make espresso shot in it. This is great shot coming of this Appartiemento with thick crema, and if you keep it a little bit you can see the 3 layers of coffee. So this is perfect shot. Let's test the steamer. That works great, no leak, no nothing. And the hot water. And it's refilling right away. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.